Hi guys, welcome to all in my YouTube channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So in today's video I'm going to discuss very important topic, that is how to improve English from beginner to the intermediate level. So you have to watch this video completely so that you can learn some new things and you can apply in your daily life and you can improve your English like me. So let's not take much time, let's start. Hey everyone, are you just starting to learn English, or maybe you already know few words and sentences but want to take your skills to the next level? Well, you are in the right place. In this video I'll walk you through how to improve your English from a beginner to advanced level. Okay, so you have to follow these steps, and don't worry, I'll keep you everything simple, practical and beginning friendly. Okay, so you don't have to worry, just like the video right away because it motivates me to bring a new content for you. What you need to do first, if you're a beginner, your main focus should be on the basics. Start with simple sentence structure like I'm going, he's eating, she's working. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on simple grammar, basic vocabulary and correct pronunciation. Use beginner books or apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English or Hello English. And yes, repeat daily 15 to 20 minutes is enough in the beginning. And you need to do next. One powerful way to improve fast is to make English a part of your routine. Here's what I recommend you. Listen to English songs or news while commuting, like if you're going somewhere, traveling somewhere, listen English songs and news. Watch cartoons or simple shows with subtitles. Try taking to yourself in English. Yes, it works. I'm going to tell you it works. For example, when you are making tea, say to yourself, I'm boiling water, now I am adding tea leaves, like this. You are learning to think in English, and that's how fluency starts. Okay, you have to train your mind. Whatever you're doing, you have to speak with yourself. This will help you to become a fluent. Next, what you need to do, a lot of people make this mistake. They try to learn too many new words without using them. Okay, so here's my tip. Every day learn just 3 words. That's enough. You need to repeat those words as many times as possible, like this. If you learn the excited word, then you have to say, I am excited to watch a movie today. You have to make a sentence and you have to repeat those sentences how many times you can do. Next, like you have chosen the word delicious, then you have to say the food was delicious. Like this, you have to repeat the words. Okay, and you have to make the sentences so that you can memorize the words and the complete sentence as well. You can use in your daily life. So this is the way to learn new words. Next, what you need to do, and you need to also write down these new words in a notebook along with a sentence. Practice saying them, use them in daily conversation, even with yourself. Okay, and next step, what you need to follow, instead of learning random grammar rules, focus on learning real life sentences that people use, like can I help you, what's your name, I'm not sure, could you repeat that, like this. You need to learn small sentences. Use those sentences at least 100 times. And next, what you need to do, here is the next tips. This is where most people hesitate. They wait until their English is perfect to start speaking. Don't do that. So what you need to do, you need to start speaking from day one. Even if it's just a few words, you can talk in front of mirror, record yourself or join beginner speaking groups online. The more you speak, the faster you learn. Remember this, the more you speak, the faster you learn. You have to say this line at least 10 times in a day. The more you speak, the faster you learn. And what you need to do next, you need to watch and repeat. That is known as a shadowing technique. So what you need to exactly do, here's a powerful technique I'm going to tell you. That is, watch short English videos with subtitles, pause them, repeat what the speaker says, try match their tone and pronunciation. Okay, this is called shadowing technique and it really improves your accent and fluency. Start with simple shows like Peppa Pig, Dora or beginner English YouTube videos, and there are other channels where they teach you how you can follow them, how you can repeat, and how you can use this shadow technique. Next, what I'm going to tell you, you have to be consistent and track your progress. Improving from beginner to intermediate won't happen overnight, but if you are consistent, even just 20 to 30 minutes a day, you'll see results in just 3 to 4 months. Record your voice once a week, write a small paragraph about your day. You'll be surprised at how much you improve. And the last tips I'm going to give you guys, before that, please like and share this video and do subscribe my channel. So what is my last tips for you? So if you are a beginner and wondering how to move forward, learn simple grammar, practice daily, and most importantly, don't be afraid to speak. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's learning English, and don't forget to subscribe to English with Tej for more simple and helpful lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.